Top password managers for email security. Let me paint a nightmare for you real quick. Imagine waking up to this. You wake up, pick up your phone, and try to log into your email. Error. A chilling message pops up. Password incorrect. Your bank app? Locked out. You try to reset it, but the verification code goes to an email you can't access. Instagram, Twitter, even your Netflix? Gone. Every single online service, every connection, every subscription, suddenly out of your reach. Not because your phone broke, but because some random cybercriminal halfway across the world cracked your one-week password and walked right into your digital life like they owned it. They didn't break down a wall, they simply used a key, your key, to open every single door you have online. It sounds dramatic, but it happens every single day. In fact, millions of people experience this exact nightmare annually. It's not a distant threat for big corporations, it's a constant danger for every single one of us. And the crazy part, a simple tool, one you probably haven't set up yet, could have stopped it cold. Yes, just one easy-to-use solution can be the ultimate shield against this terrifying scenario. Most people don't really think twice about their email security. I mean, it's just email, right? Nothing exciting. It's true, email might not be as flashy as social media, but it's the master key to your entire digital world. Think about it. Every forgot password link, every account recovery, every single online service is tied to your email. See, we've all been there. Too many accounts, too many passwords. So, what do? We reuse the same one, again and again. Or we use something easy to remember, which also means it's easy to guess. And when you reuse a password, if a hacker gets just one of them from a data breach, suddenly, they have the key to everything else. Let's talk about password managers, and how they can literally save your entire online existence. They are the heroes of digital security, ready to protect you from that nightmare scenario. Now, let's be honest with ourselves. Who's actually using a different strong password for every single account? Think about it. Do you have a unique, super complex password for your email, your bank, your social media, your shopping sites, and even that obscure forum you joined years ago? Yeah, didn't think so. And that's okay, because you're not alone. Most people either reuse one or two passwords across everything, or they try to remember that one complex one they came up with 6 months ago and keep getting locked out every time. It's a frustrating cycle, right? You make it super complicated, then you can't log in, you reset it, and the cycle continues. It's not your fault. Humans aren't built to memorize 100 passwords. But hackers, they are built to exploit that. Our brains are amazing, but not for random strings of letters, numbers, and symbols. Their computers can try millions of combinations in seconds, and they count on us taking the easy way out or simply forgetting. That's where password managers come in. Password managers fix all that. They create strong, unique passwords for every account. They remember everything for you. All you have to do is remember one strong master password, just one, and the rest is handled. You pick one password that you can remember, and the manager handles literally hundreds of others, autofilling them for you when you need them. It's like having a digital bodyguard who never sleeps, never forgets, and doesn't charge you rent. It encrypts all your logins, keeping them safe in a secure vault only you can unlock with your master password. But before you rush to download one, there's something you should know. Not all password managers are created equal. Just like anything else, some are better than others, offering different features and levels of security. You want one that's airtight. End-to-end encryption is non-negotiable. This means your passwords are scrambled into unreadable code from the moment they're created, and only you can decrypt them. Not even the password manager company can see your data. It should alert you if your credentials have been exposed in a breach. Imagine getting a warning if a website you used had its data stolen, letting you know to change your password before a hacker tries to use it. Two-factor authentication. Absolutely, this is that extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone or another device even if someone has your master password. It should sync across your devices smoothly and, if it can create email aliases or work offline, that's icing on the cake. Email aliases add an extra layer of privacy, and offline access ensures you're never locked out, even without an internet connection. Alright, now let's get into the real question. Which password managers are actually worth your time? We've handpicked some of the best, with options for every need and budget. Let's kick things off with one you might already be using without realizing it. Google Password Manager. Yep, if you're an Android or Chrome user, it's already baked into your system. It's conveniently built right into the Google ecosystem you might already be living in, making it incredibly easy to get started. And it's come a long way. Google has invested heavily in improving its security and features over the years. And it's come a long way. It now supports passkeys and gives you warnings when your passwords are compromised. It's simple, free, and honestly, not a bad place to start if you're just getting into this. It's an excellent entry point into the world of password management, especially if you're a Google user. If you want something that's open source, secure, and widely trusted by developers and privacy pros, go for Bitwarden. This is a favorite among tech-savvy individuals and businesses who value transparency and strong security. Being open source means its code is publicly available for anyone to inspect, which builds a lot of trust. It's transparent, it's powerful, and the free version is honestly better than most paid options out there. You get unlimited password storage, syncing across all your devices, and secure note storage, all without spending a dime. It's a fantastic value. Now, if you're the type who loves powerful features, you're probably going to vibe with 1Password. Looking for something that's clean, family-friendly, and ideal for people on the move? 1Password is the one to beat. It has a beautiful design that's intuitive to use, and its family plans make it easy to securely share logins with loved ones, without compromising security. That travel mode it comes with? Genius. It literally hides your sensitive data when you cross borders. It has this cool travel mode that hides sensitive info when you're crossing borders. So if you're traveling internationally, you can safely hide your most sensitive logins, like banking or work accounts, ensuring they're not visible on your device if it were ever inspected. And the Watchtower feature keeps an eye out for weak or compromised passwords tied to your email. Want something that goes above and beyond? Something that feels like an all-in-one security suite? Dashlane might be your guy. This thing is a beast. It does what most password managers do, but also throws in a VPN and dark web monitoring. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, adding another layer of privacy, and dark web monitoring alerts you if your personal information appears on illicit online marketplaces. It even helps you change your weak passwords automatically. Imagine not having to manually go to each site and update your password. Dashlane can automate that tedious process for you. That's next-level convenience. Like, what? If you're a fan of NordVPN, then you'll probably appreciate NordPass. It comes from the same reputable company known for its privacy products. Same team, same focus on privacy, and a super user-friendly experience. It's incredibly intuitive, clean, and easy to navigate, even if you're new to password managers. And has breach detection for your email and uses zero-knowledge encryption, meaning not even they can see your stuff. This means your data is encrypted on your device before it ever leaves, ensuring that only you, with your master password, can access it. NordPass can't see your passwords, which is a huge plus for privacy. Oh, and let's not forget Keeper. This one's got features for both individuals and teams, including encrypted file storage and dark web monitoring for your email. Keeper is a veteran in the security space, known for its robust features and enterprise-grade security. It's premium-grade and built for those who want all the bells and whistles, offering secure messaging, identity theft protection, and advanced security auditing to ensure your digital footprint is as protected as possible. Need access to these tools? See the description box down below for everything you need. We've put together a comprehensive list with direct links to help you make your choice. Here's the bottom line. Your email is the gateway to everything. If someone cracks that, they've got access to your accounts, your contacts, and probably your entire digital footprint. It's the ultimate prize for a cybercriminal, the one key that unlocks your whole online life. Using a password manager isn't just about convenience, it's about locking the front door to your digital life and throwing away the spare key. So what's next? Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take action. First, download one of these managers. Second, turn on two-factor authentication. And third, request a demo from our expert AI agents at Tileris.com. We are ever ready to help you in securing your digital life. We can show you how Tileris integrates seamlessly with your new defense and other security tools to create an even stronger, more resilient defense for your business and personal data. Still feeling stuck? No worries. You can book a free consultation with one of our experts at Tileris.com. We'll help you figure it out. No tech jargon, just real talk. We understand cybersecurity can be complex, and we're here to simplify it for you, answering all your questions and guiding you every step of the way. Don't just use your devices, protect them. If this helped, hit that like button, share it with someone who still uses Jane 123, and of course, Subscribe for more no-fluff cybersecurity tips.